Hello Glamours and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. For this DIY, I'll be making a glamorous wall clock using hula hoops. If you would like to find out why I created, just continue watching. To start off, I'll be using two 20-inch hula hoops and I'll be removing the wrappers. Next, I'll be removing the connector from both and I'll empty out the pebbles from the inside. Next, I'll take my ruler and I'll place a marking, so I'll cut them in half and I'll repeat the same steps on both, so I'll have a set of 4. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll start gluing all my 4 pieces together and I'll start shaping and gluing in place. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. I'll be using masking tape to hold my pieces together in place while I glue them. I'll leave a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Once I was done, I'll remove the masking tape and I'll continue the same steps on the back side. Next, I'll be using leftover foam board that I have from a previous project and I'll be tracing the center and cutting it out. Next, I'll be using 4 small craft sticks and I'll glue them on each end of the frame, and this will be to add support. Next, I took foam board and I cut 4 pyramid shapes and I'll glue them 2 on each end, and this will add pointy ends to my frame. Also added masking tape on both inner sides to hold and to complete the shape. Next, I'll wrap both ends using masking tape. Next, I'll bring back my cutout and I'll glue it in place. I also flipped it over and glued underneath. I also apply one coat of Mod Podge for shine and to protect the foam board. Once it was dry, I took it to a well-ventilated area and spray painted metallic silver. I also cut the center 3 by 3 inches. I also took another piece of foam board and cut it 4.5 by 6 in the shape of a teardrop, and then I'll be tracing in the center using my white metallic marker. Next, I'll be using clear crushed glass, and I'll have this brand link below, and I will also be using clear school glue and a paintbrush. When applying the school glue, I won't be applying any over the lines. And for extra shimmering, I'll be adding fine metallic silver glitter. Also took poster board and cut it to the shape of the sides, and then I'll be covering it with mirror reflection paper. Next, I'll be gluing them onto the sides. Here's the finished look. I am so obsessed and in love with this wall clock, and the glam and shimmering speaks for